Ever thought you could travel Europe on just $1 a day? Now that's an improbable dream, isn't it? Or is it? You see, there's a growing trend that's changing the way we perceive travel. It's called budget travel. And it's all about exploring the world without burning a hole in your pocket. Contrary to popular belief, Europe can be surprisingly affordable. Sure, it's home to some of the world's priciest cities, but did you know that it also boasts an array of budget-friendly destinations? Recent statistics show a significant rise in budget travel, with more and more adventurers seeking out these value-for-money hotspots. From hearty meals that cost less than a cup of coffee to cozy accommodations that won't cost you an arm and a leg, Europe's got it all. And the best part? These experiences don't skimp on authenticity or charm. So let's dive into the top European destinations you can explore without breaking the bank. Have you ever heard of the term hidden Europe? Let's unpack it together. Eastern Europe, often overlooked by the typical tourist, is a treasure trove of experiences that won't break the bank. It's a fascinating region where you can explore rich cultures, stunning landscapes, and remarkable history without the hefty price tag often associated with European travel. Let's start with Poland. This country, steeped in history, offers a range of experiences from the haunting Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial to the charming streets of Krakow and the stunning wilderness of the Tatra Mountains. And the cost of living here? Significantly lower than its Western counterparts. A meal at an inexpensive restaurant would cost you less than $4, while a one-way ticket on local transport is less than $1. Then there's Hungary, a delightful blend of East and West. Its capital, Budapest, is split by the Danube River, with historical Buda on one side and hip Pest on the other. The city is renowned for its thermal baths, architecture, and vibrant nightlife. And the best part, a day pass to the Széchenyi thermal bath, one of the city's biggest attractions, is around $15. And let's not forget Romania. Home to the legendary Transylvanian region, Romania is a country of contrasts. Here you can explore medieval castles, hike through the Carpathian Mountains, or experience the lively atmosphere of Bucharest. A meal in an inexpensive restaurant here would cost you less than $6. So why not consider a journey off the beaten path to Eastern Europe? Not only will you discover a vibrant mix of cultures, cuisines, and landscapes, you'll find your travel budget stretching further than you could have imagined. In essence, Eastern Europe offers a wealth of experiences that are as rich as they are affordable. It's proof that you don't need to spend big to have an unforgettable adventure. Eastern Europe, an adventure for your soul, not a dent in your wallet. What if I told you that the Mediterranean isn't just for the rich and famous? Yes, you heard it right. This sun-drenched region brimming with azure seas and rich history is more accessible than you might think. Let's set sail to Greece, a country that merges ancient culture with a laid-back lifestyle. Here, the cost of living is surprisingly affordable. You can relish sumptuous local cuisine without breaking the bank. Picture this: munching on a gyros in a quaint taverna, the cost? Merely a few dollars, and it's not just food. Accommodations too are budget-friendly. From cozy guest houses to budget hotels, you'll find places that won't drain your wallet, but still offer a taste of Greek hospitality. And then there's transportation. Greece's public transport system is not just efficient but also easy on the pocket. Hop on a bus or a ferry and you're set to explore the city or island. Hop at a fraction of the cost you might expect. But let's not stop here. Let's navigate our way to Croatia, another Mediterranean gem. Croatia is a traveler's dream, with its stunning coastline, historic cities, and vibrant culture. The best part? It's all affordable. Dining in Croatia is a delight, with hearty meals served at reasonable prices. Think seafood plucked straight from the Adriatic, paired with locally produced wines, all without causing a dent in your budget. Accommodations in Croatia range from budget hostels in the heart of the city to affordable rooms in charming coastal towns. And getting around? Public transportation is your best friend. From buses to ferries, it's a cost-effective way to see the country. So you see, the Mediterranean is not just a playground for the wealthy. It's a region rich in history, culture, and natural beauty that welcomes everyone, regardless of budget. And the best part is, you don't have to compromise on the experience. You can immerse yourself in the local culture, savor delicious cuisine, and explore stunning landscapes without breaking the bank. The Mediterranean, a paradise that doesn't demand a fortune. Ready to venture off the beaten track? Set your sights on Western Europe's hidden treasures, where your wanderlust meets your wallet. Let's start with Portugal's Alentejo region. Picture this: sun-drenched vineyards, medieval castles, and serene coastal towns, all at a fraction of the cost of the bustling Lisbon or the tourist-laden Algarve. A recent survey showed that a traveler could save up to 40% by choosing Alentejo over more popular regions. Now, let's hop over to Spain's Galicia. Far from the crowded beaches of Costa del Sol, Galicia offers a unique blend of Celtic history, sparkling fjords, and mouth-watering seafood. According to a recent report, a day in Galicia costs around 30% less than a day in Barcelona or Madrid. These lesser-known destinations offer not just savings but also an authentic experience away from the tourist throngs, the road less traveled, where your dollar stretches further. Who said you need a fortune to experience the richness of Europe? Indeed, traveling on a shoestring budget doesn't mean skimping on experiences. We've walked through charming cobblestone streets, savored delicious local cuisine, and soaked in the vibrant cultures of Europe, all for just $1 a day. Remember the hidden gems we discovered? From the breathtaking landscapes in the east to the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean, Europe's beauty is affordable and accessible. Think about the road less traveled, those off-the-beaten-path destinations that offer a unique, budget-friendly adventure. It's all about doing your research, planning ahead, and making smart choices. Let's not forget that travel is about more than just the destination. It's about the journey, the experiences, the connections, and the memories that you make along the way. So there you have it. Europe, a dream destination that doesn't have to remain a dream.